Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing and a review of the Bell & Howell Ultrasonic Humidifier, personal humidifier. So with this, it just uses a regular water bottle. Just to go through some of the particulars here, it says each bottle lasts up to 12 hours. It fits all standard size water bottles, has a built-in light. Let's say down here, add moisture to any room with this super quiet travel sized humidifier. So if you're going on a trip or anywhere, it'll fit conveniently into your luggage. It's lightweight and portable, variable mist settings. So there's some places here you could use it in the living room, the basement, the bedroom, especially during the winter time. That's why we're purchasing this. It tends to get very, very dry. You could use it in the kitchen. So I just want to have a look at this. The LED light should be there, which would be, I guess, on the front over here. So I just want to have a look at this and open it and see how good this actually is. So here you can see it actually has a brush to clear out any dirt, debris, or in this case where we live, we have a lot of hard water, so calcium buildup, that would be nice. There's a little travel case, carrying case for it as well. We'll put that aside. There is the Bell & Howell user manual. It's pretty self-explanatory to use. This is some precautionary words from the manufacturer. Here is the power, so it's pretty standard. And let's have a look at the device itself. Let's put this aside. So when you turn it off to on, you hear a little click. There's a minimum all the way to the maximum. So I have a water bottle here. I am just going to be testing this out, see how this goes. Not sure exactly how this would go. I am assuming that we would turn this upside down, screw this in. So let's turn this thing upside down a bit. Oh, here you can see it has two little flaps to help stabilize. So let's turn this upside down. There you go. Let's lower this a bit. Okay. Now I'm going to try plugging this thing in. Right. So let's see where this goes. So the power goes in the front here. So let's see. Turn it on. As you can see here, there's a light. So it's working pretty well. That's the minimum. Let's go to the maximum. Okay. So seems to go higher. The lighter that you go, pushes the moisture out. So again, this is the Bell & Howell personal humidifier. So hopefully this review was useful. If you enjoyed it, please click like, subscribe to our channel, and always stay tuned for more updates on different products that we will be reviewing and unboxing. Until next time, take care.